Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're talking about something simple but very important for your fitness routine. The best protein shaker bottles that can make your daily nutrition easier and cleaner. If you are serious about your workouts or just want a better way to enjoy your shakes, this one is worth your attention. Let's take a closer look. Let's get started. The product we're featuring today is the VeloMix Protein Shaker Bottles. These bottles are designed for people who want convenience, durability, and style all in one. One of the biggest highlights of the VeloMix Protein Shaker Bottles is the 100% leak-proof guarantee. This means you can toss it into your gym bag or backpack without worrying about spills. Every drop of your shake stays safely inside the bottle. That gives you peace of mind whether you are heading to the gym, the office, or anywhere else. Another strong point of the VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles is the premium quality material. The bottle feels solid and well built in your hand. It is designed to handle daily use without cracking or wearing out easily. Even though it offers top-level performance, it does not come with an expensive price tag. You get great value without sacrificing quality. Mixing performance is also very important, and VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles are engineered to give you smooth results every time. Whether you are mixing protein powder, vegan blends, or meal replacement supplements, the bottle helps break down clumps so you get a lump-free shake. This makes your drink more enjoyable and easier to consume. No one likes a chunky shake, and this bottle helps prevent that problem. Cleaning is another area where the VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles really shine. After finishing your drink, a quick rinse is usually all it takes to prepare it for the next use. This saves time and makes your routine simple. You do not have to spend extra minutes scrubbing or dealing with hard-to-reach corners. The easy-to-clean design keeps things fresh and ready for your next workout. The VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles also stand out because of their versatility. They come in a variety of colors and sizes, so you can choose one that matches your style and needs. Whether you prefer a bold, bright color or something more minimal and classic, there is an option for you. The different size choices also help you manage your portion and hydration level depending on your routine. Comfort is another thoughtful detail in the VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles. The design feels comfortable to hold, even during busy days. It fits naturally in your hand and is easy to carry around. The practical shape makes it simple to store in most cup holders and gym bags, which adds even more convenience to your daily life. Durability, smooth mixing, leak-proof protection, easy cleaning, and stylish options all come together in the VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles. It is not just a basic bottle. It is a reliable tool that supports your nutrition goals while fitting perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Here is the bottom line. A good shaker can make your fitness routine much easier. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the VeloMix Protein Shaker bottles. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.